Here's how you make your map using the tool provided. We're going to use Clecky because it's really easy. Your screen should look like this when you log in. And all you're going to do is start with making a boundary for your country. And remember, this is a fictitious country, so there's really no real boundary. You're going to make that up. So I'm going to pretend my two countries are on an island. That way it's easy. They're right next to each other. And then I'm going to make a border between them. So there's my outline. And I'll make a border that goes like this. So there's my border, and I've got West Narlia over here on the left side, East Narlia on the right side. I'm going to label them, so all I have to do is come over here to this little icon, click this arrow, and click text. And then wherever I put my cursor, I'm going to click, and this is West Narlia, so I'm going to type in West Narlia. And I'm going to make this text a little bit bigger, so I'm going to type in 40, make that bigger. And I can change the color of the text if I wanted to. I could center it however I wanted, but I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to type in East Narlia. So there we go. And I have to have at least two physical features. So I'm going to add some mountains. I'll add a mountain range that maybe goes right here. Oops. I'm on the text, so I need to go like this. Click back onto the little drawing thing. Now I can add the mountain range. So these are the mountains like this, and maybe we'll have some more mountains over here in West Narlia because they do a lot of hiking. So there's my mountains, very simple mountains. And then I'm going to add a river. The rivers are blue colors, so I'm going to come over here to the color picker and click on this little guy. Oops, okay, and then when I drag my mouse over here, it turns it blue. So I'm going to make a river that goes like this, and maybe it goes into the mountains, and then there's another one here that flows like this. Two rivers. Yay, like that. There we go. I need to add some cities, and I'm also going to label these. I'll use the same technique that I used to make these labels, to label these rivers. It's pretty simple. But I'm going to add some cities, and I want to add a little dot for the cities. So I'm going to go to the Shape tool right here, and I'm going to select this right here, which is a ellipse fill. And then I can go here, and I'll make a little circle there. That'll be a city. Then I'll put another city in the middle right here, East Narlia. And it says I need to make two cities, so I'll put another coastal city here, and we'll put mountain city here. There we go. And again, to label these, I will just go here like that. I'm going to click right next to the dot, and I'm going to type in mountain city. Now, that text is too big, and I want it to be black, so I'm going to click on black. I'm going to make the text smaller. Just click this little down arrow. Tell us what I like. Hit OK. There we go. So that's how you make your map. I'll just fill out the rest of that map in a second. Then I'm going to take a screenshot, paste it on my slide. Then I'm all done. Simple stuff. Good luck.